It's raining every single day out here. It is freezing down in this basement. I need something to warm me up. Because it's freezing outside, it's wet, it's rainy, and I mean, this basement is like a freezer as it is. We're going to be reacting to BTS's Fire, and we're also going to be checking out the 2020 Festa BTS Airplane Part 2 Summer Version 2018 Summer Package. What's going on? But before we get into it, I just want to give a big shout out to my Patreon supporters. Where's that paperwork? Oh, there it is. Kind of hard to see, I'm not going to lie. Brandy, Mackenzie, Debbie Z, Jean, Amy, AJ, Debbie R, and Exotic Sounds. Thank you guys so much for supporting the channel and supporting myself as well. If you would like to be a Patreon supporter, the link will be in the description below and in the pinned comment as well. Also, guys, yesterday I did make a video, but unfortunately it got copyright strike because of the scammies. The Grammys actually ended up blocking my video worldwide, so nobody could see it. So what I'm going to be doing is on Saturday at 12 o'clock p.m. Mountain Standard Time, Canada, we're going to be watching on Twitch the full video, as well as some other things BTS related. I'm thinking maybe we watch some Run BTS. I don't know. Maybe we watch some fun little shows together. That link is also in the description below, twitch.tv/MasterGo89. All right, I am literally freezing down here right now, so let's get warmed up to the beautiful BTS Fire. Let's get into it. Oh, this actually works really well. I can hear it like pretty good. Big hit. Let's go. Yes, let's go. Everybody like, oh, it looks so cool. I love the green hair. Oh, who's this guy? Do I have subs on? I do. Oh, gonna go confront this hooded individual right away. I like that shirt. Who are you, a hater? This is what the comment section tells me. Got the haters and the black hoods. Oh, whoops. Sorry.
불타오르네.
Okay. It's got 9 million likes. Okay. Oh, been there. Living like beef. I like that. La 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 la. La 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 la. Oh, okay.
불타오르네.
I didn't park there. I swear to God. This is a fun video. I like this one. Oh, shoot. Warming up now. Let's go. Turn it up. Bang! I like that line. Don't try it so hard. It's all right to lose sometimes. La 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 la. La 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 la.
불타오르네.
Oh shit! DJ set. Woo! Those are speakers, man. What the hell? Oh, he's got the mic dragon behind him. Nice. Not gonna lie, guys. I'm loving this song. Yes. Oh my god, seeing these guys in like an underground concert, that would just be... Oh my god. That'd warm me up. I like all their shadows in the back, just like raised up. That's awesome. Fireworks in the background. Hell yeah. Oh, this would be such a wild thing. Oh my god, just like a street, kind of just like grimy setting. I love this. Oh, I'll forgive you. All right. I appreciate that. Oh my god, that would be so wild. That's a fun night right there. All right, let's go home. We made a mess of this place. Oh shit! Yeah, it's toast. On to the next one. I love that. Boy Meets What? I remember a show called Boy Meets World. That was a good show, actually. Anyways, back to the video. That was awesome. I really liked that. That was really great. I like fire. All right, so now we're warmed up, we're fired up, we're ready to roll, we're ready to rock. And I have to say, I love that video. That was an awesome video. That just like feeling that grime, feeling that kind of like underground scene, you know, underground nightclub to just like a huge dance party with crowd surfing and stuff. Man, I miss those days. I'm telling you that much for free. All right, so without further ado, let's check out our very first 2020 Festa, BTS Airplane Part 2. This was actually a recommendation from the millions and millions of comments that I get on a regular now. Thank you guys, by the way. If you do like today's video, please consider giving a thumbs up on this one and hitting the subscribe button, because we can't get anywhere without you guys, and I really do appreciate everybody that has been supporting me on this just already such a amazing journey. And I'm just feeling just so good today. You know, I was thinking about making this video today at work, and I was just like, damn, that's actually a really fun idea. The hat and everything, this was actually the wife's idea. I'm not gonna lie, you know what, I might actually just rock this look more often. Anyways, okay, so let's get into this 2020 Festa with BTS Airplane Part 2. I have no idea what we're gonna see here. All I know is that this is a beautiful setting in SAIPAN, and just no diving. No diving, it says. Right, meow. Okay. Anyway, sorry, let's get into it. Oh, I love this video. It's so clear, it's so bright. Okay. Oh, we got a bit of a Spanish vibe here. Oh. Oh my god. This is like a little candid kind of video here, like impromptu. Boys are on vacation right now. I love this. Oh my god, this pool floaties. Oh my god. My son would be like, no. Look at these guys over here just dancing. Oh, whoops. Wait, hold on. Oh no, we don't have any closed captions. Love it. This my whole attire actually just fits this all together. This is great. Love it. Maybe not the headphones though. And I'm gonna need a lot of sunscreen. I burn like a mother. Look at that! Yes! Just bringing up all the pool floaties. That's a beautiful setting. It looks awesome. Oh. It's just like they don't have this place to themselves. People are just like sitting down, having a coffee out on their decks, and they're just like, what's going on right now? But I'd be there for it, man. Oh yeah. Mexico to Paris? Are we saying my reaction? It's kind of fitting, isn't it? Oh, I can just feel that sun. It looks so beautiful out. Look at those fluffy clouds, hey? It's like a bit of a hillside over here to the left. Look at these guys. Oh, they have so much fun, eh? All right, peace. Get out of here. Right on. Good shit. I like that. That's awesome. So these festas, I guess, from what I've learned and understood a little bit, correct me if I'm wrong, is that these go on for multiple days, and it is all to kind of like show support and show everybody that it's like, hey, this is for Army, and this is for our anniversaries. Every time it's our release anniversaries. They do all sorts of different things, like fun little videos like this and some like pictures and stuff like that. So that's kind of cool. I like that. You know, this Le Jazz de Vie, I'm gonna have to get on to reacting to this one. But lounge music, like I've always just wanted to go to a lounge, just a quiet, sleep easy, and just sit down, listen to some really beautiful music. And this right here, that would be something else, wouldn't it? All right, guys. So anyways, thank you so much for watching today's video. This was a lot of fun, and I'm glad that I got warmed up here. These guys, honestly, they warmed me up. I'm happy now. Let me know, guys, in the comment section. I'm probably missing a whole hell of a lot on these songs. What's the meaning behind the lyrics? Let me know on Fire, and also let me know what was even being said here on Airplane Part 2, because we didn't get the chance to see any subtitles. But I'm sure later on down the line here, we will deep dive a little bit more into the songs. Right now, this is just an after work special. We're here, we're hanging out, we're having fun, and I'm glad you guys enjoyed today's video. With that all said, thank you guys again, and we will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.